Hello and welcome back here with the third video of the Keep on Dreaming collection, and this is the video for the Painters Toolbox. And we start here with the brush mix. The brush mix includes almost 100 elements here, black and white elements, and this is how they look like. And you get the PNG files, they are all transparent, and then you get the ABR file as brushes, so you can use the ABR file for Photoshop and Photoshop Elements, no problem. And all the other PNG files you can drag and drop or use them in any other program you want to. What you can do with these kind of brush mixes, for example, let's go and pick another paper here. Let's use that one. This is from the last video. Templates, papers, another paper. Close that element, and I'm gonna save that one. There are a lot of elements here in the back. Let's use that one. So we have here a little bit of element. Okay. What we can do now with these kind of brush mixes, for example, we can create our own kind of clusters, whatever. We can use them as masks. Let's open that one, drag and drop that. So this is the mask. And now we can add here. So we use always the same image in the whole video. This is how it can look like. But you also can use any other and add from the styles that I have also created here, those kind of overlay. Pick that one and add here a bit of details. I need to go to this one. So different ways, there are really different ways to use these kind of stamps from the brush mix. Copy paste, and we only make it plain white, so it gets immediately a little bit of a gesso feeling in between. Of course, we can scale the whole thing and add here the gold texture. And we can, what can we do as well? Oh, we have that one, this little swirl. Turn it around, make it smaller, place it here underneath. And what we can do is to blur it a little bit. That's not the right one. Blur. Okay. Look at it, and it looks like now it's the shadow of the flower, but it's not. So it's a little bit of a trick only to have something you can look on it. It's there, but it doesn't fit, but it somehow is a shadow of the flower. So nice little detail. Oh, I don't know, my Photoshop is very slow at the moment again, or today. Maybe it's always on short work like me. So the year will be not much different than the last year. I will be home for most of the time. I get some of my loan paid from the government. That's why I try to. It's not all money I get from, so it's only 60% of what my loan is. So the scrapbooking business is just really that kind of way to get my bills paid. But I have a lot of more time than usually. Look at that, these are transparent styles. Like this one. This is also, it's like a little bit of a gesso. So we combine now here the styles, the brushes, and work with that together. We'll place that on top. Of course, we can add here from the Artsy bit, but I like to show you that it's really possible only to work with the brush mix and create kind of your own elements. So if you love to work with styles, this is something you will love. On top, and you can create really nice artsy stuff here. Let's try that one. It's pampas grass. I don't know if that is English, because it's very German. Pampas grass. Is it an English word? I just don't know. Maybe you like to give me a hint. I think we only need a color here on top. Flip the flip. The problem often is in Photoshop that you can't. You have a layer and you have a style on it, okay? From this diamond. And now you want to add a shadow. And you can not say plus to the already existing styles. I now want to add the shadowing. What I do, this trick is I duplicate the layer, and I took the one underneath and then add here the shadow. And if I want to make it perfect, I click the Option key, press on the effects and push it on top, and then something like that can happen. This is not what I wanted to show you now. But this is something you can do. Sometimes it works when I drag and drop the shadowing on the existing layer, so I can remove the second one. But also here you need to link your both layers, and so you have the shadowing and also the layer style is there. Yes, so we have here a lot of different kind of brush mixes. Duplicate it and make it white. Press Command I. This is always inverting the color, So if you have something black and you want to make it white, press Command I and then it inverts for you. Okay. So this is the brush mix and style element pack, Painters Toolbox, Painters Toolbox pack, layer styles, and you get 35 different kind of styles here in this pack. Then we have the color styles, they are free. You get the styles and you get the swatches, and then we have the brush mix with the ABR file and the stamps PNG files, and you get here 95 different PNG files. This is the Painters Toolbox video, and I'm finished that one now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, always feel free to ask us, especially in the Artology group, or wherever you want to. We try to answer you everything you want to. Have a nice time, and we're gonna see you. Bye.